Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. Today, I'll be helping you learn how to delete or edit messages that are already sent on Facebook Messenger. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Tap open your Facebook application and once you're in, tap on the group or chat that you want to delete or edit messages on. Once you open the chat, keep pressing the message that you want to delete or edit. Tap on Remove from the expanded menu and tap on Unsend to unsend the message. From the pop-up, tap OK. If you want to remove the remains of the message, then you can simply tap it on again and tap on Remove one more time. Tap on Remove for you. From the pop-up, select Remove, and with this, you'll be able to delete or edit messages on Messenger that you have already sent to one of your contacts. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.